Hey guys, so this is your homework that I have assigned. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple of example problems just so you can know what you're doing and so you won't have too many problems. So I have attached some notes that should help you out with this work. So let's just go ahead and start with number one. Now, number one is a completely straight line, which would make that a straight angle. And a straight angle has to be equal to 180. So we need to find what this angle is going to measure to. So since we know that the whole thing has to be equal to 180, and we know that this angle right here is 116, we are going to subtract 116 from that. And our answer would be 64. So similarly, that's what you're going to do with all the other problems that you see on this paper. So for example, on this side, let's go into number 5. Or if you want, we're going to go ahead and do number 6. Again, it's a straight line. And right here we have a square. That tells us that we have a right angle, which is 90 degrees. And we need to find what this side is, what this angle is. So since we know that the whole thing has to be equal to 180, and we already have 3 different angles, we have 90, we have 35, and we also have 23. So if we subtract 180 minus 90 minus 35 minus 23, our missing angle would be 32. Now if we come down here to 10 through 15, what we need to know about the angles inside of a triangle is that they are all going to be equal to 180. So with number 10, we see that 180 has to be the sum of all the angles. We already have 2 angles, which are 69 and 46. So to be able to find the third angle, we're going to subtract 69 and 46 from 180, and that should be 65. So that is what we're going to do is and find the missing angle from all of the angles on this worksheet.